The first snow always felt magical. Every flake was a tiny adventure, and the world seemed endless.
He didn't understand why the car never came back. He only knew he should wait. The snow kept falling, and the night kept growing colder, but hope still kept his eyes open.
He remembered the laughter, the warm hands, the promise that he was a good boy.
Sometimes the world becomes too big for such small paws.
But even in the coldest winter, kindness can shine like a fire.
And sometimes all it takes is one open door.
The snow still falls outside, but tonight he isn't alone. The snow still falls outside, but tonight